see anything inside. Somebody's coming in a really suspicious car. My heart is beating like crazy.
Turn the club into a freak show.
I'm right now at the Blue Miracle. This is an excavator that's located somewhere in Germany. It's a huge one and it's abandoned, and you can guess what I'm gonna do here just because I'm here. And it's really enormous, really awesome and enormous excavator. Blue Miracle, it's called so because he was blue. But now because he's rusted, he's not blue anymore.
Explosion.
Take a look. Enormous. So, in a few seconds, I'm gonna be inside. See you then, guys. The lower side looks interesting, and we're gonna go on the lower side, and afterwards we're gonna proceed to the upper one. I just want to see all the rooms and everything inside. A lot of forgotten machinery. I think this is the place of the main motor that's rotating everything around the field. I can't see anything inside, and this is dangerous in hell to go like this. Apparently this is a fapping station, a fap room dedicated to some fappers. Still have a long way to go. Well, this is quite a nut. Look at this nut! Wow, a lot of scary noises. Metal. Well, I think I will go to this upper floor. The rooftop calling me. Isn't it beautiful? Yo. Enormous.
I want to tell you a little story about
Well, guys, this place sure is scary, and I can tell you that if you don't gonna look to the ground, maybe it's not gonna be that scary. Also need not to forget that all this building is rusty, and should I go through the stairs or should I go through this part? I think I will go through this part, because this part is much interesting than going on the stairs. Don't worry guys, I will be safe. I'm doing everything to survive, and after all I just want to live a little bit more interesting than the usual life, so don't blame me for all the stuff that I'm making here. Yeah, let's go. Oh, it's going really far away. We're going all the way down, but I'm going all the way up. You know what's really making me feel scared? That after we're gonna climb this part, I will go to the really scary and difficult part, and I'm gonna show it to you in a second. I don't know if you can see it, but I will climb there, and maybe also I will climb there. Just look at this in normal heights. This is scary. There's some tough walkway here, so we're gonna do it like professionals. Yeah.
I want to tell you all a story about.
I'm starting to have a second thoughts about climbing to this tower, you know, because when you're looking down, and I'm always looking down, it's really scary. I hope that all this metal is gonna contain the weights, and I hope that this structure is still strong enough. I see a lot of things rusted, but I'm not touching them, and I'm really careful with what I'm doing, but believe me, it can be ended with an accident. Guys, my heart is beating like crazy. I'm really scared. You can see the enormous height that I'm climbing right now, and I'm gonna climb up to this tower. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button just to make this whole video actually worth something. Just do it guys, do it for the sake of this video. Just take a look at this shit. It's all rusty and crumbling under my feet. I got myself into the operating room. Damn. This is enormous. This place is huge. I don't know that I repeated it a lot of time, but believe me, if you will be in my condition and if you're gonna be in this place, you're gonna say the same things all over and over and over again. You see, this is rusty. This is really dangerous. So I just gonna give you some look of the inside, and then I'm gonna get the fuck out of here to some other part. Holy shit. Just look at it. Look how high is it. Some people are come here and I don't know if this is the police or anybody else. I don't really want them to see me. If this is the police, then I'm screwed. I hope this is just visitors like me. I think this is them. Yeah, this is them. There's a good chance they're gonna see me, but well, who knows?
One eternity later.
Already 20 minutes and they still didn't go away, so fuck with that. I'm gonna go and say hello. Yeah. Come see here. Yeah, they are friendly, so everything is fine. So we're right now inside some other operating room, and this is the view from the inside. Some of the window was shattered, but it's still visible. Weep, weep. As you can see, German engineering need to be combined with a beer. Need to find some way to get inside to this part. We need to do it the old-fashioned way. To climb inside. If this place is gonna crumble down, nothing will help me and nothing can stop the falling. So I'm just hoping that everything's gonna be fine. And we got another visitors here. Somebody's coming in a really suspicious car. You can see them right now. No, everything okay. It's actually okay. But look at this. This is the part of the wheel. You can see it here. This enormous, huge wheel with tips. Yo. Here it is. And actually a tree been growing from all the stuff that gathered here all over the years. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah, awesome place. I really liked it here. Yeah, we are good. It's trembling. Yeah, we are okay. There's some operating room. Well, all the electricity is dead, so don't worry, nothing gonna be working right now. It was a really awesome adventure. I hope that you liked the video. I really like this place and I think that I will come here again with my friends. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you next week.